Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to change the frog roll and to make it into augmented frog roll. Basically, I'm going to show you how to take the frog roll, which is one of my favorite rolls, and just kind of add to it. All right, so if you don't remember or if you haven't seen it, the frog roll is simply you get on your forearms, you look over your shoulder, you touch same side knee to elbow, you extend that knee or leg, and it sits you up. And then you come back, you look over your shoulder, you touch same side knee to elbow, and then you control that descent back down to the floor. So again, if you've never seen the frog roll, it looks like this, and it is an amazing roll. It just feels good, does a lot of good things for your body. So it's good for you, but it also feels good. And you know it feels good to feel good. Anyway, we're gonna change the frog roll just a little bit, and we're gonna do it from our hands and our knees. And this is just kind of fun, also feels good, but it also helps you develop control, and it helps you fill in some nooks and crannies in your strength. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna start on our hands and knees, and we're gonna look over our shoulder the same way, and we gotta shift our weight a bit. So we're gonna look over our shoulder, we're gonna touch same side elbow to knee, and then we're gonna, with control, gonna lower ourselves down to the floor. Here's the fun part. Same side elbow to knee, we're gonna keep that hold, and we're gonna lift ourselves back up. And at the last minute, we're gonna separate our knee and our elbow. And then we're gonna do the other side. So we look over our shoulder, we shift our weight a bit, we touch same side elbow to knee, and with control, we lower ourselves down to the floor. And again, the fun part is picking ourselves back up and releasing. So from the side, we look over our shoulder like you're looking at your back pocket maybe. You touch your same side elbow to knee, lower yourself down with control, hang out on the beach, how you doing? And then you're gonna pick yourself back up, keeping that hold, that contact, looking back to where you started, and then separate. So this is one of those things you kind of gotta try it to experience it, to understand how much you're really going to love this movement. So that is our trip. It is a trip to do this tip. That's our tip for this week. The how to do the frog roll from our hands and knees position, where you're just hanging out on the beach, and then you come back, and you're gonna discover your triceps with this, by the way. And then you go back down to the ground. So give that a shot, all right? The frog roll from the hands and knees position. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.